So speaking of firewood, we're not going to be afraid of this kind of stuff. Look at this. This is just a fun project, right? But easy, so easy to mount on that, unbelievable. Now this was all firewood. I mean, I wouldn't make anything out of it. You can see what already happened, which is kind of funny, you know. But it's fun to deal with. But there's your threaded tenon. It's inside this piece of firewood that I just grabbed off the rack. And then I put the tenon on it, put a little mortise in the bottom of that, and away you go. Now you basically have the leg for a rustic table, and it's knocked down. And then we can take a table, another piece of firewood like this, and then, oh, how about that? It's got a mortise in it. And then that would go on there, whatever you want to do. The sky is the limit on this kind of stuff. Let's see here. How about that? You know? No, obviously it's not bolted in there, but who would? Just think of all the stuff you can do.